Did you know that one of Japan's most feared warlords met his end in the exact same way he killed thousands of his enemies? In 1571, Oda Nobunaga earned the terrifying nickname Demon King. When he burned Mount Hiei Monastery to the ground with thousands of monks still trapped inside, he saw these powerful Buddhist temples as threats to his dream of ruling all of Japan. For years, Nobunaga waged war against the monasteries. He destroyed over 40 major temples and starved 20,000 warrior monks into giving up during a 10-year siege. His brutal tactics worked. He nearly unified the entire country under his rule, but in 1582, everything changed. His own trusted general, Akichi Mitsuhide, turned against him at Honnoji Temple. As enemy soldiers surrounded the building, they set it on fire. Nobunaga found himself trapped inside the burning temple, just like all those monks he had killed. Wounded and with no escape, the Demon King committed ritual suicide as the flames closed in around him. The man who destroyed so many with fire was himself consumed by it.